Assalamualaikum and what's going on everybody. In this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to write up your welding procedure specification using SME 9 standard. Before we start, um, please make sure you have all these 5 essential documents here, which are: the first one should be, of course, SME 9 document. Okay, this is the full copy. Second is the PQR. In this example, I'm using PQR number 4. Process is GTAW plus SMAW. Some of you will receive PQR 1 or PQR 2 or PQR 3. There are 3 different sets. Okay, and then topic 2, introduction and understanding blah blah blah. This is the lecture slide that I already explained to you in the lecture session. The same slide, except that for few slide that I purposely added just to be used in this activity. Okay, and then the fourth is WPS instruction. Okay, WPS instruction. This is a Word document. Okay, I'm gonna explain that later. And the last one is WPS template. Right, this is the form, or this is the WPS template that you will need to fill up, and you will send it back to me for assessment. Okay, well, this WPS is according to SME standard, the format, right? Okay, so please listen and watch carefully, and if you do not understand, you can of course watch this video repeatedly, then start to do your activity. Well, let's get started. The first area here to fill up the name of the company, okay, is very simple. You just copy the name of the company and put it down here. Okay, and make sure you didn't left that. And then WPS number is very important. Copy it down here. PQR number. Welding process, make sure you fill it up, and the type and the date. Okay, please fill up the date. Here is the date where you fill up your WPS. Okay, moving on to second part, which is the joint design. Right, and the drawing is pretty much similar to the PQR. Okay, so what you need to do here is just fill up the thickness of parent material T1 and T2. Okay, you can just take the thickness from the PQR here. Okay, we can see that the parent material T1 and T2 are the same thickness, and I believe they are the same material. Just copy it down here. Right, T1 is 10.97. T2 is the same thickness, 10.97 millimeter. Okay, next, joint design and retainer. Check out your PQR. Joint design is single V. Retainer, no retainer. Okay, just write down here. Single V, no retainer. Right. Okay, backing and backing material. So you need to fill out whether it has backing, yes or no, and the backing material. Right. Okay, check out the PQR. Okay, the test coupon was welded without backing. Okay, see the tick is in the no box here, and the backing material is not available. All right, so we know that the the test coupon was not weld with backing. But in WPS, you can actually write down backing and no backing. So the production, for production, you can actually choose whether or not to use backing or no backing, and the backing material should be, you can use the same material as the parent material. Yep, just copy. Just copy it down. Right. Okay. Right. Then next part is the base metal. Okay. First one is specification. Okay. Specification number. Specification number is simply type everything here. Okay. From the PQR. Right. Okay. And then pin number and group number. Okay. As from what I already explained in the class, difference between PQR and WPS is that PQR is the record of true value of variables during the welding of the test coupon. Uh, on the other hand, WPS is the range qualified for production. So when it talk about range, meaning that it will have minimum and maximum, or a set of numbers, set of value for variables. Okay, so for pin number and group number, the test coupon, the parent material is pin number 1 and group number 1. Okay, so how do we write the WPS? Because you see this, there are two boxes here. Okay, from what to what, from pin number what to pin number what, right? So you will need to check from my slide here. Okay, so from go straight away to slide number 7. Yep, slide number 7. So in this slide I have already highlighted what table you need to check, right? It's QW424. You can go to your SME9. So you will need to use control in your keyboard, control F. Okay, then this box will pop up, so you can type there QW424, hit enter. So it's looking for that QW424, this session. I believe this is the one, QW424. Let me enlarge it for you. Okay, QW424 base metals used for procedure qualification. Okay, check out this table here, right? So there are two columns here. Base metals used for procedure qualification coupon. So this column here explain what is the pin number of the parent material during welding of the test coupon, and this here is the pin number to be written in your WPS, means that the base metal qualified, pin number qualified. Okay, so if you see this, check out the first line here. One metal from a pin number to any metal from the same pin number. Okay, meaning that if there are two pieces of parent material from the same, see here, from the same pin number, the metal qualified, the base metal qualified is any metals assigned that pin number. Okay, so how to put it down in WPS? Okay, so you simply write it as P number 1, group number 1 to P number 1, group number 1. Okay, so this is the range qualified, right? Next is thickness range. Okay, for thickness range, you can go straight to QW451 because I already have explained this in the lecture session. It's in slide number slide number 18. Sorry, yep. Yes, no, slide number 20. Yep, slide number 20. So in here, the table number is QW451.1. Okay, you can say we use this table, or you can go to SME9. Okay, SME9. Okay, SME9. So we still need to 451.1. Try this. Oh, okay, 451.1. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to check the thickness qualified, right? So thickness range, base metal for groove and fillet joint. Okay, so actually when groove joint was welded as test coupon, it actually can qualify for both groove and fillet joint, right? So let's check out for groove. SME9. Okay, so PQR, what PQR said. Okay, thickness of test coupon is 10.97. Okay, we check in our table. 10.97 is lies here, right? Over 10 mm, but less than 19 mm. It's in between here. So the range of thickness T, big T, big T, which is the base metal thickness, range of thickness of base metal qualified, we are using mm, is minimum 5 mm, maximum 2 times T. Okay, minimum 5, maximum 2 times T. So we put here in our WPS 5 mm, 2. Okay, 2 times T. What is our 2 times T? 2 times 10.97, 21.94. Okay, 21.94 mm. Right. So that is the thickness range for base metal for groove joint. Okay, 5 mm to 21.94 mm. Okay, how about fillet? Okay, this part I haven't explained yet in the lecture session, so I'm going to explain it now. So you can go straight away to slide number 24. Yep, 24. Okay, so slide number 24 is referring to table number QW451.1 in SME9. So check out 451.4. Yep. Okay, 451.4. Okay, see here. Okay, so what it says here, thickness T of test coupon, plate or pipe as welded, meaning that it says that whatever thickness or whatever type of your test coupon, whether it's plate or pipe, okay, the range qualified all fillet sizes on all base metal thickness and all diameter. So what it means here is whatever thickness the test coupon is, right? It will qualify all fillet size, all base metal thickness, all diameter. As simple as that. So if the PQR was welded with 10.97 mm thickness of test coupon, definitely fillet will qualify for all thickness of base metal. Okay, and then pipe diameter range. Okay, so our test coupon, it is a pipe with 6-inch outer diameter, 6-inch outer diameter OD, right? So let's check out the the table to be used. Okay, so again, haven't explained this in the lecture session, but the table you will use is 452.3. Okay, you can check out my slide number 25, right? You can straight away use here. 6-inch is here. Okay, is over than 27/8. Is more than 73 mm. So we'll be using this one. So outside diameter qualified is from, okay, from 73 mm to unlimited. Okay, to unlimited. This is for groove pipe, groove joint. Okay, and what about fillet? So we already check out our table here. Okay, it the same table used for fillet, right? W451.4 says here, thickness and all diameter. So meaning that it qualify for all uh, pipe diameter for fillet joint. Okay, so moving on to filler metal. Okay, um, so what you seeing here, right? Root for, okay. So in my example, it should be root hot, then fill and cap. Okay, but this template, I'm using the same template as what you will use. So it's for in my example, it should be root and hot pass here. Here is fill and cap, but for your cases, it will be root, hot, fill and cap. Here it's different, right? So never mind. Okay, we moving on to the first one, electrode trade name. So there are no box here because it's not really important. It's trade name is just the brand name of the filler. Okay, and then spec number, SFA. Right, how to put it down? Just copy it from the PQR. Just copy it down. Simple as that. Okay, A5.18 for fill and cap, A5.1. AWS number. Let's copy. This is E7018. Okay, F number. Okay, filler metal. F number. F number 6 for root and heart. F number 4 for fill and cap. 6 here, 4 here, and I think both A numbers are 1. Yep, 1, and this is 4 here. 1 and 1. Okay. Size of filler metal is 2.4 mm, and this one is 3.2 mm. Okay, let me check it. All right. Okay, 2.4 mm and 3.2 mm. Other not available. Okay. Okay, wet metal thickness range. Okay, this is small t, right? This is small t. 451.1. Yep. Okay, small t. 451.1, small t is here. Maximum thickness T. Okay, small t of deposited weld metal. So our T, big T is here. Okay, 10/10, but less than 19. So let's check out the small t is 2 times T. So 2 times T is 10.97 times 2, 21.94. Okay, and fillet, of course, still all. Okay. All right, goes to the position, right? Position in PQR. Where's the position? Yep, 6G. Position of groove 6G. Well, progression uphill not available. Okay, 6G and uphill. Okay, so WPS qualified for all. Okay, this is because you cannot simply put in the 6G, because if you put 6G in the WPS, meaning that the production only qualified to weld using 6G position. But when you put all, meaning that the WPS is qualified to be used to weld using all position 1G, 2G, 4G, 6G. Okay, fillet, so all weld progress up here. Right. Okay, so we're done for the first page, and do not forget to write your name there, your full name. Okay, your full name. Okay, and so goes here. This is the second page. We have two pages. First page done. First page done. Okay, now we are at second page. So same with first page. Copy the company name. My company name is La Louisia Unlimited. Okay, WPS number, same. Yep, same WPS LLC 01. Okay, used to it. Okay, now the gas part. Okay, the gas part. Shielding, trailing, and backing gas. Okay, this one. So you only have shielding, which is argon with 99.9% composition mixture and flow rate of 15 lpm. Okay, write down argon 99.9 and oops, 15 lpm. Okay, and the rest just put not available. Okay. Okay, current. Okay, now we are at electrical characteristic, current AC or DC. Okay, for this electrical characteristic, you can check from two section in PQR. First, yeah, electrical characteristic KW409, or you can check from the second page of PQR, this table here. Okay, so my advice is straight away to check here. My example here using two processes, which is JITAO and SMAO, and it have different polarity. See here, JITAO is using DC and DCSP, straight polarity, while SMAO using DCRP, the reverse polarity. So in the WPS, both using DC, only that the polarity is different. So how to write it up? The polarity here. So you just put it down as below. The reason is because you going to fill this table. You're going to copy everything from the PQR and fill up this table. Same goes to amps, or you can put down as below, or you can write down the range here. Okay, current 60 to 140. Okay, 60 to 140 ampere. Voltage range 16 to 24. 16 to 24 volt. Okay, and tungsten electrolyte, this is JITAO, so it's applicable. So here, okay, tungsten electrode size 2.4 mm, 2% thoriated. 2.4 mm, 2% thoriated. Okay, next is the technique. Okay, string or with bead. Check out the PQR technique. Okay, string or with bead, both. So put here both dash string and with bead. Oscillation. Do you have oscillation? Not available. Not available. Okay, initial and interpass cleaning, brushing, and grinding to achieve a surface free of foreign material. I have already pre-filled up for you. Method of bed gauging, contact tube, blah blah blah, orifice or gas cup size, GTAO less than 12 mm. Multiple pass or single pass per side. This is multiple pass. Okay, and table speed range, you can put S below because this will be covered here. Okay, now we are at this section. This is very simple because this table is exactly the same as this table. So what you need to do is just copy everything down to your WPS. Okay, example, root pass here, digital. We have. Okay, so in this, just copy everything down and do not forget to write your name here. Your name, not my name. Okay, so I think that's all for the WPS. Very simple. So next is what you need to do is file, please save as. Save as. Right? Save as your name. Your name here. WPS. Put your name here. For example, my name is Azlan. Okay, save as. Right? That's all for the WPS. And then you're going to send the WPS to me. And the second one that you need to send to me is this one, the instruction. Just answer the question. But please write your name here, the name here, your matrix ID. Yep, and then program whatever. Just fill it up there. This is the instruction that you already done the WPS. Okay, so please answer this question here. Okay, first question is based on mechanical test result in your PQR. Okay, based on your PQR test result. Okay, here. Okay, this based on these two tests, tensile test and guided bend test. See the UTS here. Okay. Question is, does the test coupon pass the tensile test and bending test? Please specify the reason to your answer. Okay, write down here. Please write down what is your reference. Write down what is the MSTS of that material. Make sure your answer is complete. And then the conclusion. Okay. Alright, that's all for this video. Please watch it repeatedly, and thank you for watching.